Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the several points polyline tool, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back into the program. So in the previous video we looked at our normal Polyline tool. Now we're going to be looking at the second one, which is the Polyline several points. Now let's fix my zoom here. This is going to be a very handy little tool for closing up gaps or connecting the dots. Where previously we looked at the line 2 points. Now we're going to be looking at the, like I said, the several points. This is very convenient to work. Now on our base, in the previous video you can remember we did the zigzag. So all I've done is I've added a little flat piece on top going to the right again, and then in the middle a little piece going on or up in the vertical axis, just so we can demonstrate it. Now also something to keep in mind that's good to cover. Let's say I've got the normal Polyline tool active, and you want to cancel it to select something. Then instead of clicking on different toolbars, what you can do is just right click a few times and then it will deselect that for you, because you might find that sometimes you click here, let's say I've got this one, I click here, say cancel, and then I try select that. Every time I click it just wants to add. So then what I do is you can just right click a few times and then there we go, it's reset it for you. So that's something to keep in mind. It's quite handy. I don't think we've covered it. I might add it to the selection mini series, I think. But yeah, otherwise if we head back here to the actual topic at hand, we're going to go to the Polyline several points, select that. And now, like the 2 points from the line, we want to find a hotspot. So if I hover my mouse, we can see we've got this slight red little hotspot. I'll zoom in. Okay, you can't see it on that one because of my zoom software. But if I go there, you can see we've got that little hotspot. So pretty much now what you want to do is find the hotspots and connect the dots. So I'm going to go there, click on this one as a starting point, move to the next one till the highlights, click, and then with the line, as you can remember, we had to now select it again and add another one. Where with the Polyline, we can now just carry on. So I'm going to select the next point, then another point, and so forth until we complete this shape. Now also keep in mind you can put lines over lines. So just keep that in mind. So if I had to select this will be complete. But let's say I wanted to go on this line, back to this point. Let's get that highlight going. Struggling, but there we go. If I click that and I cancel selection. Now if I click this, you'll see if I delete it, they stole that other line. So keep that in mind. You can do it over 2 lines over one. So when you're designing, just keep that in mind. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the Polyline with the several points. As you can see, it is rather handy to quickly close off shapes. And then yeah, you can use that as a nice little connect the dots. And now we've got this little factory house looking thing in a very short time, where if we had to manually close all those things with lines, you can imagine it's going to take some time, because you have to calculate the middle point here, from this point to that point, and then all the way around. So it is a very handy tool to have, and I would definitely recommend getting in the habit of using it. But yeah, otherwise before we head on, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.